Hi, this is Abhinaya. This is a video for Linux exercise number 3 looping statements. The first question is about a factorial of a number. So, factorial number. So, my program is to first to enter a number and it will store it in n. And then I'm initializing two variables total to 0 and I to 1. And I'm going to give an if condition. If I is less than or equal to n, then I'm initializing a factorial to 1 and assigning j is equal to 1, and then if the j is less than or equal to I, and then doing what the factorial into j I'm doing and storing it in factorial, and then I'm just incrementing the j's value, and then in order to get the sum of the values, factorial values, I'm just going to add total plus factorial and store it in total, and then I'm just incrementing the I loop. Next, I'm just giving the echo total. So this what it does, so it will just keep on 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial up to n factorial. It will just keep on adding, and then it will store in total. The next question is to find sum of series. So, so I'm just getting the input, enter the number of series you want to enter. I mean, number of numbers. So I'm just reading it again. I'm just initializing the total to 0, and then I'm getting the series value. And then I'm using for loop for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. I'm just going to get the value from the user, and then I'm just going to add and store it in total. After it's going to give the output. The total is dollar total. Question is to next find the Fibonacci number of numbers. In this first, I'm going to get the number from the user, and it's dealt in n. I'm initializing f1 is equal to -1, f2 is equal to 1, and then I'm just going to run a for loop for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and then it's going to add f1 plus f2, and then I'm just giving the value of f2 to f1 and f3 to f2, and it's just going to print f3. The next question is to get the multiplication table. First, I'm saying the user to enter the number, what table they want to enter. I mean, what number they want to enter, and reading it in n. And then I'm just getting the limitation for that multiplication table. So, just getting it n. I'm just going to run the for loop for I is equal to 1, I less than equal to a, I plus plus, and then I'm just going to multiply I into n. I'm just going to store it in q, and then I'm just going to print q value. The next question is to do the scientific calculator. First, I'm going to in this I have done some 9 operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, sine, cos, tan, and log. And then I'm just going to get from the user what operation they want to, and then I'm just going to store it in C. And then I'm just going to get two numbers, like for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything you want two numbers. So I'm just going to get first number and store it in A, and get second number and store it in B, and then initializing sum to 0, and then I'm going to run the switch case. First case is for addition, so I'm going to add two numbers and store it in sum, and then echo sum. Next operation is subtraction, and it is going to get two values. I'm going to subtract and echo the value. Next, third operation is multiplication. Just going to get to a and b value, and then going to store it in sum and echo the value of multiplication. Then the fourth I think is division. So I'm just going to divide a divided by b. I'm just I'm going to give output as division. Next one is mod operation. The mod operation gives a reminder. Next operation is sign operation. So I'm just going to get the degree from the user, and then I'm just going to do generally what degree into pi by 180 we'll do. So pi by 180 value is what have given the value as 3.14 divided by 180 gives the value called 0.017 453293, and then I'm just going to multiply and then just go into since it is a sign value, I'm just going I initialized with sign and then degree will give a sign value. Next cos also in C. Next tan operation. So this gives scale. Scale gives a total how much number it want to read, and then tan is what sine by cos. So sine divided by cos gives the value of tan. Let me show the execution of all my programs. So central number I'm just going to give 5. Factorial of number. Next, I want 4 table. Limit is 2 I'm giving. So 4 and 8. Next, I'll give sum of series. Like 3 numbers I want to sum. 1, 3. Sum of series. Fibonacci. So I want to 4 Fibonacci number series scheme, and then calculator. So I want to do some multiplication operation. So I'm just going to get 2, 4 multiplication operation. Thank you.